Hi, my name is Anil Gupta, and in this video we will learn about how to create a project, Angular project using CLI. For getting started, we first need a Node.js installed in our system. You can get it from here, and this is my Angular CLI. And whenever you have installed the Node.js, you can use this command to install the CLI. And I have already installed that in my PC. So you can do something like we can this is the ng stand for Angular, and if we call something like this, you can see that okay, if I do this new command is used for creating a project, and you can see that okay, forget it. So this command is used for creating project, and there is an option here that will help us to start just create the project without installing any node packages. So let's try here, like this is telling me to activate if I want to use the Angular error routing, and I choose yes, and this is the CSS, and I click enter, and you can see that this has been created in my project. So let's go inside the directory, and I have the code installed on my PC, so I can do things like this. So as you know that we have skipped the packages, so I need to okay, so you can see that I have moved my node packages here. So let's be now our project has been set up, and we can do things like ngs. This command is used for see the project in the web browser. So this will open this will compile all the things and run it in my computer. So you see that this is doing something, but it is not showing anything, but it will take some time but to compile. Let's wait for it. So if you see that this is master, like I think they have it's also created the git project for me. There is an option to escape the git thing kind of thing. So you can see that there is option skip git. If I try to skip git, this will not generate any git thing kind of thing here. So these are the parameter that we can use to I mean flag, this kind of flag that we can use to when we generate the project. So you can see that this is compiling, and this is my local host. I am not sure that it will open the, so I am going manually. So you can see that this is the a module. This is a page that is coming from Angular. So this is the okay. I'm not sure about these things, so I can't confirm that, but I think this is the entry point. Might be. So, this is the main thing, and okay. So okay. So these are our source folder which contain all the our coded, and these are the other things like package ocean that is that holds information, the package that we have used in our project. So let's generate to some. So like suppose I want to create a component. So what I will do is like I will open it in terminal and do things like Suppose I need to generate a component. I can do things like this. So this has generated the header component in my project, and you can see it here, header. And suppose I need to generate another one that like footer. So this is also generated here. Or suppose I need some help with the command I using, so I can think the things like this, and I think it will show me the help section. So suppose you stuck anywhere in the regarding the CLI, you can always call this flag module flag help, and it will help you to find to figure out what the other things like suppose you just so suppose you want to generate the project, generate the things, and do you don't want to make the changes, just to want to see that you can use dry run, and these are other things that is supported in when we generate a component. So this flag will also help you the finding out the things, and I just generate the two things, and let's I'm not sure what how to reset this. Just close this. Okay, so we have two things here, and you can see that these are here. So there is a package, there is a Visual Studio extension, that is Angular language service, that you can use to make to code effectively. What it does is like it's help provide me the intelligence which I can use to generate to work effectively with Angular. Suppose this is my component file, and you can see like suppose I remove, let's make it empty. So I am removing everything. Suppose I have you can see that this thing provide me the intelligence like autocomplete like kind of feature, and this okay. So we can okay, so this is header and this is footer. So these are the basic thing. What I does is I simply create a project and generate the two component and add it to the app, and I am sure that this will be showing here like header footer. Thanks for watching my video. We will learn new things in another video.